Really, I just need to sit here until it bites, because the wind literally moves it in the water like a little fish. Yes!
Hey guys, Kyle here, and in today's video, my dad and I are going to be heading down to Ramona Lake for some early morning fishing. Alright, so we arrived at the parking lot, and it's about half an hour before sunrise, and we're going to start heading out in a few minutes, and we got about an hour hike ahead of us. Alright, so we're on our hike. We're probably 2/3 of the way up, but check out that view of the clouds. The clouds are just like covering everything. So cool. So yeah, now we're gonna go up to the top. All right, so we made it up to the top of the dam. There's the lake over there. So we're gonna go along that side of it on the shore. And here's the other side. But yeah, we're gonna start heading down to the shore.
Really, I just need to sit here until it bites, because the wind literally moves it in the water like a little fish. So I just need to chill until I get a bite. Yes! Is that a trout? Dude, come untangled, please. Dude, that's a little guy. All right. Yeah, I think so. What is this? What? Do you see it? I think he was like stuck in the weeds. He was just hiding down in there and got tangled. Can you grab like more on the side or something? Right. Let's go release you. And there he goes. I think that's a 1-pounder. I think that's a 1-pounder. It ran towards me. Oh yeah. There we go. Move. Oh, maybe not. Well, maybe it is. Cool. Is it?
Oh yeah.
1 pound? Cool.
Nice. Right through the lip, just like perfect.
Yeah. Alright, get the hook out of him. Alright. See you later, buddy. Bye-bye. You can swim. Alright, there we go. another one.